If you want to see how I built this space-saving staircase and other storage ideas, you have to keep watching. Make sure to check out the previous episode where I finished the bathroom. The staircase will be used to give easy access to the bed. Because I can use all the extra space, I decided to fit drawers within the stairs. I used the same materials as the floor to make the staircase blend in. Since I'm taller than average, most kitchens are too low for me, so I wanted something a little higher. I came up with a frame that will raise the kitchen cabinets and create a storage space underneath. Underneath the bed frame will be another big storage space. The entire frame will tilt, giving easy access. Because the bed frame is heavy, I fitted some pistons that will help lifting the load. I have chosen for an induction cooktop since I will put some serious battery power in the house. That's it for this episode. Please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram where I give early updates. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching.